Hi everyone, today we're going to learn a new chord. It's called the A minor chord, and it's a 3-finger chord, so it's going to be a challenge. I've got the baritone uke here today, no capo, tuned to E, B, G, D. Make sure you're tuned up so we sound good together. If you have an acoustic or electric, put a capo on the 2nd fret and then tune to those same strings. So let's start with our C chord, and this will make it pretty simple chord change going between those two chords. Here's your C, and to make it an A minor, you take your ring finger or 3rd finger and put it on 3-2, right there. So that middle finger has to move out of the way a little bit to let that guy in. Go ahead and hit those 4 strings. Just make sure you get all those sounds. Hear that sad sound? Sound like Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata. That's what minor chords do. They kind of draw out melancholy or sadness. Very emotional chord, not upbeat like the major chords. So let's practice going back and forth between the C and A minor. We're going to be in 4/4 time. We're going to do a half quarter note strum. We'll do 2 measures of each and then repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. C. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try switching from the D7 to the A minor. These are both 3-finger chords, so it's going to be a challenge. But there is one good shortcut. You're going to keep your 1st finger still on 2-1. That's the same for both chords. So from the D7 to A minor, you leave the 1st finger there, move up finger 2 to 4-2, give it a little bit room for the next finger, 3rd finger on 3-2. And then when you're going back, hold the 1st finger down, just move the middle finger down 1 fret to 3-2, and then move the 3rd finger down to 1-2. So practice going back and forth between those. And then we'll do a quarter note strum in 4/4 time, 1 measure of each, and repeat. So start with the D7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we switch from the E minor to the A minor, it's not too bad. There is one little shortcut. Keep this, a shared note is the 4-2 note with the middle finger. So here's your E minor, and then to play the A minor, you just put down fingers 1 on 2-1 and 3 on 3-2. And going back from A minor to E minor is easy. You just lift up those 2 fingers and keep the middle finger down on 4-2. So practice that one. And we're going to do a whole note strum. 2 measures of E minor, 2 measures A minor, and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, G to A minor is the last chord change we have to work on. There's no real good shortcut for that, except the 1st and 2nd fingers are free when you go from the G. Just kind of have them get in position on the count 3 or 4, and then they all have to kind of move, but you're going to be moving one at a time until you get a little more proficient. And you go back to the G, all you do is lift fingers 1 and 2 off and move finger 3 into position. So let's do 3/4 time. This time we'll do a half quarter note strum. 2 measures of G, 2 measures of A minor, and repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it'll be 3 separate moves. It'll be 1, 2, 3. But after a while, they'll all move together. It's like they're jumping across the strings, hopping. Okay, so there you have it. We'll do a song pretty soon with A minor. Keep working on changes. Keep doing your daily warm-up exercises. Don't forget Mary Had a Little Lamb and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.